Hey Jessica, how are you? It's Leo again. This is the video that I wanted to get sent over to you. Again, it's just some tips that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. And I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video. As you see, I've got Home Trust Roofing and Exteriors pulled up here. Um, Not a bad site. The photos look pretty good, good quality photos. Got your whole team on here. Got some testimonials, but there's just not a lot here. One of my biggest suggestions would be to add more content. Google loves content. They send bots out 24/7 to crawl these sites to be able to identify what your web page is about. So you need to have about a minimal of 1,500 words of command content on this homepage. And throughout the content, you want to add buyer intent keywords. Now, a buyer intent keyword is simply the service that you provide and the location that you provide that service. Another thing that you can do is make sure that you're saving these photos as keywords as well, because this could be, instead of home, trust, exteriors, headshots, it could be roofing, Atlanta, Georgia roofing, Atlanta roof repair, Atlanta, Georgia. Something that's telling the service that you provide and then the city that you provide that service in. Now, I don't see a click to call up here. Yep, right here. Boom. Good job. I was going to say that almost 60% of people are searching services on their cell phone, so having a click to call is a great way to have that. I'd probably make that a little bit bigger, make it more pronounced. That way people's eyes are drawn to it as soon as they get in here, kind of like you did with the get a quote. Now, what I've actually done is taken your website and put it in a tool I use called Ahrefs. And what that's going to do is give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is your UR and DR. This simply means this is the strength that your website has, and this is the trust that your website has with Google. Now, these numbers are out of 100, so you want to keep them balanced and continuously moving up. You've got 388 backlinks and 21 referring domains. The backlinks are the cream of the crop. They're what really powers your website, your keywords. The backlinks is really what kind of makes you stand out. So when it comes to backlinks, a backlink is a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal, though. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go with the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now, right now, you're being indexed for 100 keywords, and we're going to go through your list of keywords real quick and see what the keywords are looking like. Again, it's the service and the city that you provide that service. Siding repair, Atlanta, Georgia. It's a keyword difficulty of 10, and it's only 10 searches. So even if you're in the top percentage, you're only going to get a couple of those, and keyword difficulty goes up to 100. So the lower it is, the easier it is to rank. So siding repair Atlanta is 150 searches a month with 11 KD. That's a really high KD. Siding companies Atlanta is a 21 KD, and you're only getting 50 searches a month. Atlanta roofers is a really good keyword, but it's a 29 KD. But it has a 3,200 search each month, which is really a lot of volume, but it's going to take a long time in order to get there for that. Now, the way I found you was through the Google Guaranteed, which the Google Guaranteed are paid ads, and it's a really good way to get business quickly, but once you stop paying, you're kicked off that home page. So that's the importance of ranking organically. Now, under that is the map pack. The top 3 is what's displayed, and this is where you're getting about 30 to 40% of your business. Now, you're not here right now, and that's okay because there's several ways to get there by constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet because you do not want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. Make sure that's filled out completely, and don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Also, by posting geotagged and geolocated photos weekly is going to help you rank organically, and that's just opening up those photos and really detailing out what and where that photo was taken, and the city, the services, things like that. Also, by adding citations, and a citation is your business name, address, and phone number in yellow pages, Yelp, white pages, Yext, things like that, basically just directories. Because honestly, Google's just a big popularity contest, and the more information you give to as many directories as possible, it's going to start making Google trust you more, and it's going to start boosting your business not only in your area but in the surrounding areas as well. Again, the Google Map Pack is going to give you 30 to 40% of people that searches it, and it's going to go to your website from there. Now down here is your organics. This is where 60 to 70% of your business is going to come from. This is the #1 company in Atlanta in the organics. And as you see, there's not a lot of content here. So if you implement having more content on your website than theirs, along with the backlinks and keywords, you can start to outrank these guys. Now, I wanted to show you Athens. I know you're close to Athens, but again, look at the keyword difficulty and the volume. It's just really not paying off. The money spent on these keywords is going to be astronomical to get a piece of this search. So what I've done is found a city closer to you that you service. Now look at this. This is what you're really looking for. So you can add a service page on here. I'm sorry, a locations page, and put Marietta on there. And there's 350, 357, 14, 21, 20. There's like 3,000 search volume right here that you can capture. And all these added up is lower than one of the KDs for Atlanta or for Athens. Atlanta Roofers are 29. So 9, 13, 20, 23, 27. So you can take all these keywords and get that much more search volume for just one keyword in Atlanta. So as you see, there's a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of that volume is going to give you a call. And depending on your close rate, you can turn those guys into customers. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, my name's Leo Arona. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about this video, and I hope you have a great day.